Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired June 29th, 2026. The topic of that episode was Rising into Sabbath Consciousness. Swami, your insights.
Bob Dylan told us time is changing. Mrs. Eddy says, beyond time is spirit, the changeless state of eternal life. We talk about practices to shift identity into the rhythm of spirit.
Looking to rest in eternal life always? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam